we are very well positioned, and there is no question that in any conflict scenario there, China can get the better of us.
Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadauria spoke on the situation at the LAC in Ladakh. The Indian Air Force Chief said that adequate deployment had been made in relevant operational locations.
The emerging threat scenario in our neighborhood and beyond mandates a need to have a robust capability to fight across the entire spectrum of warfare. We conduct bilateral and multilateral exercises with leading air forces of the world. And let me share with you with confidence that operationally we are amongst the best. I mentioned swift and rapid deployment, but it is not only Ladakh. Ladakh is a small area, and we have some airfields there where we have deployed our assets. That is very small part of our deployment. We have deployed across to all relevant operational locations that is required to access this area. The details of our deployment I obviously can't go into, but be rest assured that we have deployed strongly and are firmly in place to handle any contingency. With respect to your question on whether we are in position to take on China in that area, of course we are. There is no question of not taking over, not taking on the threat there. We are very well positioned, and there is no question that in any conflict scenario there, China can get the better of us.
Responding to Hindustan Times' question on Chinese capabilities in the border, the IAF chief said, and I quote, PLA Air Force's strengths include surface-to-air systems in the Ladakh theatre, air-launched long-distance weapons. J-20 is a fifth-generation fighter with advanced sensors and weapons, but engine technology is not that advanced. He also added that there is no question of underestimating Chinese Air Force's capabilities. They have their own areas of strength, but we have catered for all scenarios and are fully capable of handling any threat.